Welcome back to my YouTube channel Automotor UK. Hello everyone, I hope well good where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights from the world of motorbikes. Today, we're excited to introduce the 2025 Superstar 90cc Motorbike, a perfect blend of power, style, and performance designed for both city rides and adventurous journeys. Sleek design that turns heads. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Superstar 90cc is its bold and dynamic design. With its aerodynamic body, sharp edges, and sporty decals, this bike looks fast even when it's standing still. The sleek LED headlights and modern taillight setup not only enhance visibility but also add to its aggressive look. Impressive performance with 90cc power. Don't be fooled by its 90cc engine. The Superstar delivers smooth acceleration, great fuel efficiency, and reliable performance, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or cruising on open roads, the bike's responsive handling and lightweight frame ensure a thrilling ride every time. Fuel efficiency that saves your pocket. In 2025, fuel efficiency is more important than ever. The Superstar 90cc excels in this area, offering an impressive mileage that makes it cost-effective for daily commutes. Its advanced engine technology ensures low emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice without compromising on performance. Comfort meets control. Riding comfort is key, and the Superstar doesn't disappoint. The ergonomically designed seat provides excellent support for long rides, while the suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly. The bike's disc brakes, in some variants, and high-grip tires provide superior stopping power and stability, ensuring maximum safety on the road. Advanced features for the modern rider. The 2025 Superstar 90cc is packed with modern features. Digital instrument cluster, displays speed, fuel level, trip meter, and more. Electric start with kick backup, for added convenience. Eco mode indicator, helps you ride more efficiently. Why choose the 2025 Superstar 90cc? Stylish, sporty design. Fuel-efficient 90cc engine. Comfortable and easy to handle. Affordable maintenance. Final thoughts. The 2025 Superstar 90cc motorbike is more than just a ride, it's a statement. Whether you're looking for your first bike or a reliable commuter, this model offers the perfect balance of style, power, and practicality. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more bike reviews, test rides, and tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. What do you think about the 2025 Superstar 90cc? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching,